Hello everyone, this is Drone FPV in Review, and today I'm back with another video. I am going to be showing you the true importance of headless mode, something that many people think is only for beginners, that can't help a pro at all. Now, this is wrong, because it actually can help you flying your camera drone. I'm going to turn headless mode on today, taking off on a rate I am comfortable with. What I'm going to do is start headless mode on the ground because it's the simplest. What I'm going to do is make sure my drone is oriented in the direction that I want straight. For me, it's south, directly down the yard there. And what I'm going to do, depending on your remote, the button will be in a different location. Hit headless mode. Headless mode's now on. This means that even if you turn your drone 180 degrees, the controls are still going to be the same. Let's take off and I'll give you an example. So, as you can see, normal controls, pitch, roll, yaw, throttle, whatever. What I'm talking about is that if you turn 180 degrees, you can see that those controls make the drone go in the exact same way, but the camera is facing me instead. This can be extremely helpful if you want to do a pan, say like this. But as you can see, I'm not used to it because I don't fly headless mode. Just an example. Headless mode provides a simpler flying experience that can leave more focus to be focused on the drone stability, maybe even FPV, whatever, anything. The controls are even the same if I go sideways, and I just don't like that. I find it weird that way. You can get shots like this, coming from the side, turnarounds maybe, and keep going. So right now, let's turn it around, bring it back. Now, of course, if you really want to know how to get very smooth footage, you can watch my other video that teaches you how to do that exactly. That'll be linked in the description. Also, you can put a better camera, a GoPro, anything really. Those will also be linked in the description, not sponsored. And with that said, this is Drone FPV in Review. I'd like to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.